Hello everybody, I'm pretty well. Today we reached Woburn Safari Park to see some deer. Come on, let's go. My dear friend, here's the free parking. You can park your cars. It's not sunny, but it's good weather to walk. Now we came for the apple tree to pluck some apples to eat. You will find a lot of apples in this country, but normally it's because no one eats it. We guys like teasing. No, boys like teasing. Boys like sweet apples. Here are the trees mentioned, so we can go. It's a beautiful place. You'll keep searching and you'll keep finding. My dear friend, this is the way to walk. See how big the trees are? The trees are so old. And see these horns, they are like a deer horn. Dear friend, when walking to the Woburn Safari, you will see a lot of beautiful places. And be careful while you're walking. Behind of me is a beautiful lake. Dear friend, can you see all the deer? They have big horns. Dear friend, it's backside of me, see? All these deer have big horns. Oh my goodness, what a lot of white deer! Look at this! Hi dear friends, see it's an artificial pond. Hi dear friends, there is a pond as well here, but with ducks, no crocodiles and no sharks. Some small lake. You cannot swim in it because it's not allowed. Just dogs are swimming in it. My dear friend, you see loads of On a wooden block. This is a foxy. This is a foxy, and these are squirrels. These three are hens, so you should not touch them because they're coronavirus. It's very beautiful place and the prizes are good. Wow, they have done the tiger so beautiful it is. We're a baby. My dear friends, this is the antique block game, and this is the world of everything you can see. Hope you enjoyed today Woburn Safari Park. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye bye.